Okay, this is December 26, 2022. Day after Christmas. We're going to do a review of this Mr. Heater. Indoor safe, portable, radiant, propane heater. Mr. Buddy, portable buddy. There is a list of features. Interior safe, it's got tip over safe. It uses a 1 pound can of propane, or you can, and I've got the hose, but I don't know where it is. Cleaned out the van, but you can connect the hose here and connect it to a larger propane tank, 20, 40, whatever size propane tank you want. It says it will run 4.5 hours on the low setting. I think 2.25 hours on the high setting. It will heat a room 225 feet, which is 15 by 15. That's a pretty good size room. So if you got a smaller room, it would probably take care of that a little bit better and a little bit longer. So I will show you how to light it. We'll watch it, crank up and get going. So okay, well, let's get to this. We're going to show you how to light it. We've got the propane on there, of course. We're going to light the pilot light. We turn it, push it down, turn it to pilot. Now the pilot should light down here. It's been lighting. Okay, pilot, what are you doing? Make a liar out of me when I'm doing a review. There, I don't think I had it down. There you go. I didn't have it pushed down all the way. You may have to hold it longer than that, but it stayed lit. So now we're going to turn it to low, push down, and turn it over to low. Now you will see it light up. This element will get red. I've used this, I haven't used it this much, that much, but it is, so far, it has done exactly as advertised. I think it's a very good little heater. They have a larger version from, I think it goes to from 9 to maybe 19,000 BTUs. I'm going to look at the price on it and may very well purchase one. Now, I said for camping, I purchased this to use in the van, but it'd be great for a campsite. I'm not sure about the van. You've got that flame. You've got an open flame. I'm not real crazy about that in the van. I do have CO2 testers and carbon dioxide testers. Got one in the van, one out here for that torpedo heater. And so it's got tip over. It'll cut off with tip over. It would probably be safe, but I'm a little bit skittish about using it in the van. So I've been using that master heater that I did a review on. That master heater has done great. Like it really well. Now you can see that it is warming right up. That is on low. Just turn it to high. Again, push it down, and then turn it over to high. Oh, that boy cranked it right up, didn't it? Yeah, that's a lot more heat coming out of it. I really like that little heater. I think it'd be perfect for a campsite. Once you go to bed, you don't need it, but you could use it longer if you've got a larger propane tank. So it does have tip over and a low oxygen sensor. So if you're in a tent or somewhere and you're worried about that, it'll cut off itself. Now, I know it has those features, but I went on and bought carbon monoxide, whatever tester, just as a backup, because I didn't want to take a chance in a confined room of waking up dead, if that's a possibility. Okay, well, I think that's a long enough review of this, and like I say, it's very good. Seems like it's done very good to me. Light, portable, and seems to function exactly as advertised. Yeah, that thing's putting out a lot of heat. Exactly as advertised. And I think this is around 100. I think I paid maybe 89. I think the larger one's about 119, 129. But that was a couple of years ago. I mean, everything is going crazy now. I say, you see the pilot light is still lit. You can leave that pilot light on if you want to, but you know, it's gonna take, just turn it up as you need to. You can do that. Relight it. It's going to use a little bit of fuel, but if you want to leave it on, and then, so yeah, I give this a very good recommendation. Turn it to pilot. Now we're going to turn it off, and now the pilot is out, and that will wrap up this video. I think we will do one of those others next. I may go ahead and download these two and go get them uploaded, then do another one or two of the others. We'll also be doing a review of a battery charger, and since our van is sort of decommissioned right now, and I'm having trouble with the Jeeps as well, we'll be doing other types of videos instead of all driving videos here. Now, doing probably a good bit of product reviews, eating places and different things. We're also going to be doing a review or update of Frank's Jaguar over there, how he's coming along on it. But we'll be reviewing that tripod, which I like very much. You can even bend that and connect it to your sun visor. I'll be doing a review of this Samsung S8 Plus with its own phone number. I really like that pad. It is very nice. And also this little selfie stick. It is, I think it was $16 an own from Walmart. It's not great quality, but it does work pretty doggone well. I'll be doing a separate review of it, and it is Bluetooth. It's got a little handheld remote that you can use. It works out pretty good.